Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my monthly favorite. So this is going to be my May favorites. So May was a very hot month and I absolutely hated it. I hate summers. I've already told this before. Right now the weather is changing a little bit. It's raining, it's getting cooler, so I'm much more relaxed and I'm much more happier. So without further ado, let's get started with the favorites. So the first thing what I've been loving in the month of May is a skincare. It's a serum from Vichy. It's their Aqualia Thermal Dynamic Hydration Serum. This is how it looks like. It has a very liquidy and watery consistency, as you can see, but it's very hydrating on the skin, and it makes your skin really soft and supple. So I've been really loving this for my skin, though my skin is not on the drier side. At times it does get a little bit dry on my nose areas. So I use this in the night as well as morning time, and my skin has been loving it, and it feels very soft and supple and glowy. So I've been really loving this. So the next thing what I've been loving and using constantly is a perfume from Sephora. It's their travel size perfume. So they have like different flavors of it. They have in vanilla, they have in rose. This one is in the flavor mango, and I've been really loving this, and I've been using this non-stop. I usually just throw it in my bag, and whenever I feel like I need to smell really good, so I've been really using. And this one smells exactly like mango, so I've been really loving it, and it's almost over and I think I need to get a new one. So if you guys are looking for a good travel size perfume which is long lasting as well, I highly suggest you to go for this one. So the next thing what I've been loving is it's the Savannah Colors Shimmer Brick. It's in the shade, they don't have any shade name as such, but it's really beautiful. It's somewhat similar to the Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick, and even Revlon has one. The quality of this is just amazing, and it's highly pigmented. I hope you guys can see it. I use it as a blush as well as a highlighter at times, and it's really good. And I would say it's really affordable. I bought it for around 300 or so, and the quality what they give for that price, it's just amazing. So I've been really loving this. So the next thing what I've been loving is the Maybelline Nudes palette. So I already have reviewed this palette. I already did a one brand tutorial using this. So I've been using this non-stop, and if I need to go out somewhere during the daytime, they have nice neutral shades, and if I need to go out during the night time for a night out, again they have nice dark shades as well. So I've been really loving this for the past few months. The next thing what I've been loving is a mason jar which I recently bought. I've seen a lot of YouTubers using it, and I've seen it in Pinterest and all over the net. So I thought, what is so good about this mason jar, and I went and bought it myself, and I think it's really cute. I use it to have my juice, or I use it for drinking water, so I think it's really cute. So I've been really loving this and using it a lot. So the next thing what I've been loving is from the brand Freedom. It's a Pro Blush and Highlight palette. It's got 8 blush and highlight powders, and they also have the shades which is there inside on the pack itself. That is how it looks like. It comes with a mirror, and it comes with beautiful blush shades as well as 2 highlight shades. So it's got 6 blushes and 2 highlights, which is gorgeous, and it's highly pigmented. I'll just swatch one of the blush and highlight for you guys. So that is how the blush looks like, and that is how the highlight looks like. It's really pigmented and awesome. I've been really loving this. So the next thing what I've been loving is again a skincare item from the brand Body Shop. It's their Oils of Life facial oil. I've been really using this during the night time. So I've included this in my skincare. Usually they say it's for people in their late 30s, but then I really love using facial oils on my face. I love the feeling when I wake up with fresh hydrated skin, and this is exactly what it does. I use it in the night when I go to sleep, and in the morning I'm still refreshed, and in the morning I wake up with such fresh and glowy skin. And my skin is still very hydrated, so I love that feeling. So I've been really loving this. So the next few things are a bunch of lipsticks which I've been loving and using a lot. The first one is from the brand Revlon. It's in the shade 032. It's called Delectable. So that is how Delectable looks like. It's a beautiful brownie kind of a color. So I have been loving these kind of shades. I'm also wearing one right now, but it's not this one. I will let you guys know what I'm wearing on my lips. So this is a nice brownie Kylie Jenner kind of a lips, and I've been obsessed with this kind of colors and wearing it non-stop. So this is one of my favorite shades which I've been wearing. So the next shade is from the brand L'Oreal. It's their new collection which they have launched. It's their newly launched Cannes collection, and it's in the shade Rambling Rose. So that is how Rambling Rose looks like. It's a beautiful everyday kind of a pink color which is gonna suit all kinds of skin tones. So I've been really loving and reaching out for this shade. The next shade which I've been loving is from the Maybelline Lip Gradation range. It's in the shade Mauve 1. Again, it's on the mauvey brownie kind of side. So that is how it looks like. It's a beautiful shade. It's somewhat similar to this one, but this is more matte, I would say, and this is a creamy matte kind of a finish. So the next lip cream which I've been loving is a newly launched lip cream, matte lip cream from the Revlon. It's called Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color, and this is in the shade Seduction. It's a beautiful shade, and oh my god, you guys, these lip colors, they smell amazing. They smell exactly like chocolate chip vanilla, and it smells like so yummy. So I've been really loving these colors. I have few more of these shades. Do let me know if you guys want to see a review on these lip colors, because I've been really loving them. So the next range which I've been obsessed with is the Chambord Extreme Wear Transfer Proof Lipstick. So this is in the shade 432. So I've been loving all the shades what I own. I've already done a review on it, which I'll be linking in the description bar. So this is how it looks like. There are other few colors which I've been totally obsessed with, but this is what I got in my hand right now, and I've been loving this range. So the next lipstick what I've been loving and obsessed is what I'm wearing right now. It's the L'Oreal, I'm not sure about the range. I think it's called the Moist Matte range, and it's in the shade Maple Mocha. I've just been obsessed with this color. It's a brownie color with some orange undertones in it. I absolutely love this color, and I've been really loving it. So the next thing which I've been loving is a body mist from Body Shop. It's in the fragrance Vanilla. So I love anything which is fruity and floral, and this smells very divine. And during the daytime I don't use much of perfumes. During the daytime I use more of a light kind of perfumes, and during the nighttime a very sexy seductive kind of perfume. So this one I've been loving for the daytime, especially for summer. So the next thing what I've been loving is from the brand Clinique. It's their Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. It looks like this. So I've been using the Body Shop cleansing oil for a very long time, and if you guys have been watching my videos, you would know that I've been totally obsessed with it. I finished around 4 to 5 bottles, but recently I've been going to the Body Shop store and I can't seem to find it for the last 3-4 months. They say it's not coming, it's discontinued, which makes me really sad. So I've heard about this Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm, so I thought I will go ahead and buy this, though it's a little bit pricey. It works really well. It's just somewhat like the cleansing oil. It's in a balm. This balm turns into a milky potion and it really cleans my makeup just like the Body Shop one. So I've been really loving this. So the next thing what I've been loving is from the brand Color Bar. It's their all day waterproof eyeshadow stick. This is in the shade Denim and it's beautiful, you guys. It's amazing. That is how the shade looks like. And I've been playing around with this eyeshadow stick for quite some time, so do let me know if you guys want to see a review or a look using this. I'll be more than happy to do it for you guys. So the next thing which I've been really obsessed with is from the brand Color Bar again. It's their eyebrow pencil. I think I've already shown this in one of my monthly favorites, so again I've been using it non-stop. This is what I've used today to do my eyebrows. I love how bold and beautiful my eyebrows looks after using this, so I've been really loving this. Next thing what I've been loving is again a new launch from the L'Oreal Cannes collection. It's their Infallible Silk Eyeliner. Infallible Silkison, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's their silk eyeliner, I would say. These are amazing, you guys. I've been loving this. It's so pigmented, it's so creamy, and it just doesn't budge until you remove it with a makeup remover, oil-based makeup remover. They have it in many colors, so I've bought around 3 or 4 colors. I can't seem to find one, and I'll just show it to you guys as to how pigmented these are. This is the golden one and this is the black one, and oh my god, you guys, I've been totally obsessed with it, and I've been playing around a lot with this, and I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. Take my word for it, it's amazing. If you guys want to see a review on this as well, I'll be happy to do it. Do let me know. So the last but not the least thing what I've been loving in the month of May is from my favorite brand, which is the Body Shop. It's their newly launched British Rose range. So this is their shower gel and this is their body butter. So as you guys know, I'm a big fan of Body Shop, and this one is one of the best products which I've ever used from them. It doesn't smell exactly like roses, which at times roses, the scent of roses gives me a headache. This is very mild and very soft and refreshing, so I've been really loving this. I've also heard their EDT perfume is really good, and I'm planning to pick that as well. So that's it for my favorites for the month of May. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do let me know which product did you guys like the most. Have you used any of it? Do let me know if you guys want to see any other videos. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.